Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got this. This is a Type-C docking station and I got it, so hopefully it's gonna work here with my laptop. I have a MacBook Pro and it's got the USB-C connector on it. It doesn't have the USB, so I needed a dock that works with it. So let's see all the different things it can do. Let's just open it up and check it out together. So this is what it looks like here. It comes with some instructions here. Hopefully I can figure this one out on myself. I'm a computer guy. So let's see, it's got a little bit of heft to it. It's a little bigger than some of the other ones I've used, but let's see what we got here. So we have, I guess I got it dirty on the side, but let's say it comes with 3 USB ports on the station here. So let's see, and good because I have a USB plug. So let's try this thing out and see what it does. It looks like one is blue. .480 megs, and then the other one says something else like a 5. So I don't know what that all means. I guess we are gonna have to look at the directions because that one's blue and the other ones are the other colors. So let's plug it in here. And then I have a cable that I was gonna connect up and charge my iPad with. Oh, my iPad is in under my thing here. So here's my iPad. So let's see if I can get this to charge. Oh, it's actually a lightning cable. So I'm gonna have to just plug it into my phone and we'll see if that one works. So I'll let you know here in a second. Well, it made the noise, so it's charging, and it says allow accessory to connect. And so I will say allow, and then I'm just gonna go to like my image capture and see if it sucks in my thing, and it does. So it pulls it up. Wow, that was fast. It seems like it's faster than when I plug in just the USB-C cable into my computer, but it's already connected and it's pulled in the pictures. I'll show you here in a second. Let me just make it huge. So see, it's loading up all my pictures. These are all my pictures on my laptop. So very cool. So just a bunch of pictures from vacation, but it seems to work for me. So I'm gonna say this is really cool. Nice little one here, and it actually has, so it has an HDMI port on the back as well. So you can hook it up there, and a USB-C port as well. So I could hook up a USB-C device. I could hook up HDMI, and I have three USB devices. So actually what I would probably do is have my power coming in, because I have USB power for my MacBook, power in here. This connects into the computer, charging it, and then I have the 3 USB ports that I didn't have USB ports on the computer. So very cool. Thumbs up for me on this. And this is the box, and I like it. So go ahead and pick one of these up if you have a MacBook or something that's USB-C and you need these ports for it. So thumbs up.